Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul Fikri. My register number 2001092035. Class Information Management. Okay, I will explain the material from meeting 1 to the last. I start with an introduction. This material is basic material and we need to introduce yourself in English class job interview and older, so we'll start from the first basic self-introduction, namely greeting and greeting divided to namely formal informal greeting. The second introduction, your name, for example, I am a company in the department, and 5 is your qualification. For example, I am a subject graduate, and the 6 is about experience with about working organization experience. For example, I have number year of experience in the equestrian field, and 7 to introduce your family. The example sentence are his brother, and the 8 about habit. For example, I really like running, and the 9 is about egg. For example, number, and the 9. There is about fun fact. For example, I am using we work computer. What computer and computer program is? A computer is an electronic machine. They process information in other world. In information processor in take your information data one and store in until it's ready to work on its queue, and crouch is for it habits. Speed of the result at the holder in this process F9. Taking in information called input. Storing information is better known as memory or storage. Saving information is also known as processing, and spitting out the result is called output. 1. Input your keyboard and mouse. For example, as their input until was. Are just input until was of getting information in your computer that is processed if you use microphone and voice recognition software that another front of an input memory or storage. Your computer probably store and your document and file on hard drive and magnetic memory, but smaller computer based device like digital camera and cell phones use that kind of storage. Such a flash memory card. 3. Processing. Your computer processor something now the central processing unit is the microchip by deep inside. It's what a amazing hard incredibly hot in process. That why your computer probably has an LCD screen capable of displaying high resolution, very detailed graphic, and probably also stereo loudspeaker. You may have an inkjet printer your desk to make a more improvement front or of output. What is the computer program? The first computer with designed calculating machine, and all they really did was crunch number, solve like difficult or this mathematical problem. Today, computer were on mark with a variety of problems, but they are all style. Usually, calculation. What makes computer different from a calculator is that it can work all be inside you just give it endure. Instruction called program, and of it performing a long and complex series of operation albeit inside. If you wanted a home computer to do almost anything at all, you had to write you one little program to do is known. It's known speak work as the function of function known. Whether harm animal or thing not only abstract concept is also include. So as surrounding and fun, the definition is quite broad. Type is of non-common noun, proper noun, countable and uncountable, singular and plural, collective noun, pronoun or noun is discussed. This include the of English speak they are spiral type. So you expected to be able to understand its type. Type or adjective, namely adjective of quality, quantitative adjective, adjective of quantity, Numeric adjective demonstrate adjective, describe adjectives working with computer. Computer computer one have part or verb or word that show the meaning of activities and condition or circumstances given, exemplified by the sentence below. I forget to tell you that Mr. Moniz will depart uh, activity tomorrow. Effect and function to explain the effect versus what's computer to. They have to say that no screen time to approach a career in technology. In fact, the Bureau of Labor Statistics BLS project employment of professional in computer and information technology career to increase. Mark Foster the average. But 12 present project through. Let us introduce you to some of the many computer job work considering big data engineer, web developer, database administrator, working and so on. Working with computer tree, what is called ordinary network architecture that is user connect or device to telephone, computer, and router. As have spoke network architecture, hub and spoke network is centralized network where point on a network are connected to central hub. They function to connect to an access center where older device. A protein protocol set a rule encode into not using a local or global array of mesh properties. First, there are cell healing as the routing protocol find multiple ways to send data across the mesh, even not that of long as the mesh of contiguous. It will continue to function. Second, they are generally self-discovering and configuring. When they are not join the mesh, the routing protocol automatically integrate them into the data transmission path. They are also relatively infrastructures to implement many mesh network are built with not consisting of wireless router than cable process for less uh, $40. This one the reason why many interesting application of mesh network can be found the developing world in order solidify. Your understanding of mesh network signature. Let's take a look at some real world example of they use some commercial applications. So Oracle Mesh Access Point Combat Mesh principle was Wi-Fi. Not to every commercial enterprise in metropolitan area is ability to provide internet access. The their entire operation through one LAN access point. This allows business to expand capacity along their personal network while extending the range of site network is mesh provided by having series of individual routes connected a wireline backbone. One laptop per seal air internet per laptop has successfully tested mesh networking over three of model laptop. It connection speed of up to 5 megabyte per second and over kilometer and distance. There's a speed a laptop and can support a wide variety of mobile application including long distance video chatting without internet connection, ham radio, calling themselves the South Texas balloon launch, the United High Altitude Balloon and Weather Tower as the point mesh network have router connected to the internet around El Salvador and Austin, Texas. Applications such as this call provide very useful emergency situation during which mesh network could be laid upon to super basic telecommunication. Applications such as sending email and image between interconnected devices and the example demonstrate mesh networking and variety of purpose with great investment and the technology and more widespread adoption by the public. Mesh network revolution and democratic the way people started working with computer for a beginner good to buying laptop. Laptop computer may complete by the all share the same basic anatomy. Some part are for physical like the keyboard and screen, although you might never actually see finishes you computer daily. Knowing what this basic part are and they will you sort through the jargon and find computer. First of the computer is called processor graphic card. The graphic card is specialist processor similar to the CPU, but deal only with graphic optical disk drive. Standard is small laptop. In laptop optical drive, drive disk is where the computer store all of the program file is RAM memory. RAM or memory when your computer runs program or person file is need something some information to be moderately available inside of being stored and drive. What will you use your PC for? Before you begin shopping for a computer, you need to know what you want to use it for. For many people, this will be simple web browsing and typing the occasional document. Others enjoy editing photos and videos, playing game. A beginner guide to buying a laptop adapted from Brian Christopher PC Mac December 2010. Individual works the completion question: what are the main consideration when buying a laptop? How many basic type of a laptop are there and what are they? Why part of a laptop playing the DVD or CD? Why this processor is the best? What the graphic card do? How do we measure the amount information or drive can store? What do will can the plus where tomorrow information is stored? Why type of laptop tend to be the simple and simplest? A simple sentence is contain a subject verb is a single complete talk that and on is one example. They be for food complex sentence. A complex sentence is independent clause joined by one or more dependent clause. Dependent clause is subject for but a subject and verb that no express a complete talk example. After eating law the classic factory thing when the gym to access working computer link to get allow user to share not only data file and software application but also hardware link print and principal. LAN is LAN application but also hardware like printer and other participant LAN. LAN is LAN cover a small area so and original supplying a school or college. One cover a large geographical area. Most one area made from several LAN connected together. What are the differences between one and LAN local area? Network wide area network are extremely this name many aspects. They only differ the area they covered by the network. LAN area network they limited to small geographic location. The computer connected to the network called BNA single room. A few rooms spread on entire building. One on the other hand cover great distance and are not limited to a single location. The biggest and most popular example of when is internet. We expand the whole globe and use computer connected. Simple present we use the simple present tense when an action happen right now. When happen regularly. Sentence formula example. Meeting a successful people in IT. Steve Jobs never graduated from college. He was founder of Apple company and was one expelled from his own company. In my opinion, what interesting is the Steve Jobs always think positively in very life they go through. I agree with Steve Jobs success because they have been successful in life can reach my front everything. And the way to achieve success in my opinion is to always think positively and work hard and pray. Will this all I can say if there are circumstances I guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.